friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you're all doing well. We have a new hair sponsor today. Today's hair sponsor is a company called Luvwin Hair. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys if you want to find the link to the shop. This is actually my first collaboration with them, so yay to them. Welcome to the channel. What I have installed is a 20-inch HD frontal wig. This is in the highlight color. This parting space is actually all the way back. The HD lace is really HD. I didn't need any foundation or lace tint for this melt. So first thing I want to do is remove any of my makeup. My surface is prepped. I think I'm gonna be using the bold hold today. I don't know, it's been a while. This is the wig today, so it's been a while since I have used the bold hold for an install, so let's see. I do like that it has this little grip here. Because of that strap in the back, it lays really flat on the head, which is really nice. It like actually doesn't move. And she's pre-plucked. This is a really good wig, you guys. The lace is good. The cap construction is good. I'm actually just really impressed. It fits really well. You don't have to cut off too much hair. Thank goodness. Look at it. You can even wear it glueless. It's just the tabs here, but you could put that hair down and you can wear it glueless because it's staying in place. I'm gonna see where I need more. Obviously here. And then we're gonna melt her down with the melting band. I like to tighten this band as tight as possible. It can give you a concussion for sure. You lose brain cells too. It's been a few minutes. Child, this thing is looking crazy, but we can save it. We use a microfiber cloth to clean up. Yeah, that looks really good. Okay, let's do some sideburns. Ow! Gonna go in with some Eco Style gel like I've been doing for the longest little while. It works so well for this. We are not doing any baby hairs because it doesn't need it. pretty. And the lace, oh my God, you have so much space. You can do so much with it. And you can really do those deep parts because it's lace central. Wax stick. Whoa, in my eyes. Mm-hmm. 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 So this one is a little bit shorter, coming in at 20 inches, but I think it's gonna look so realistic once it's all said and done. I'm curious to see what it'll look like if I curl it with my curling iron as well.
Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind.
I'm almost done curling.
Something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny.
This highlight wig, it's so stunning. The color, oh my God.
Do we drop or do we get kicked out? Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it out.
Why is it doing that? Why?
Everybody smoking. Boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job. Tell me things like I can't hate to walk and dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're too out of line. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you and me could deny.
Okay, we just have to move on because it looks like the wig is not wanting to curl all that well, like hold a curl. Now, the highlights on this, really pretty, beautiful ashy blonde highlights with the dark roots. This is my favorite type of highlight wig, where it has the dark roots because it just looks more realistic on our skin tones. I will always prefer to have a darker black root than maybe a brown root. Like overall, it just fits so well around the ears and the hairline. So you can see the highlights are placed really nicely throughout the wig, so it gives a really natural look. I just wish it held a better curl because I took my time with curling this wig. I thought, you know, the curls are gonna be popping. They still look good. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section. What do you think of the install and how do you feel about putting products throughout the wig? Do you usually style your wigs and use a lot of products throughout the wig to get your curl or your style? Let me know that in the comment section below. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so so already, and leave me a thumbs up and let me know that you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye.